Is the UK housing market on pause? The UK housing market is showing signs of slowing down, and it's got everyone talking. According to recent lending data, the pace of house price growth has eased. But what's really going on, and what does it mean for you? Let's dive in. In October, the average house price saw a modest increase of 0.3% month-over-month, a slight dip from the 0.5% rise in September. The average home price now sits at £272,226, up from £271,995 the previous month. On an annual basis, the growth is a bit stronger, reaching 2.4% in October compared to a year ago, up from 2.2% in September. What's driving the slowdown? One key factor is the anticipation surrounding the upcoming budget, which may introduce new property taxes. Analysts suggest that many potential buyers are sitting on the sidelines, waiting to see what changes are in store. This hesitation is particularly noticeable in the market for more expensive homes. Rightmove, a popular property listing website, has also noted resilience in the number of properties coming to market. However, they haven't observed the usual autumn bounce in asking prices, indicating a more cautious approach from sellers as well. The experts weigh in. Anthony Codling, a house-building analyst, points out that homebuyers are waiting to see the impact of the next month's budget. He also emphasizes the market's resilience, noting that despite high mortgage rates, the prospect of further rate cuts could support house prices. Potential tax changes. The government is considering a new tax on homes worth over £500,000. But here's where it gets controversial. It's not yet clear if this will be implemented. This uncertainty is undoubtedly contributing to the cautious sentiment in the market. Amy Reynolds, an estate agent, has observed a sluggish market, especially at the higher end. However, it's not all doom and gloom. Lower interest rates are helping to keep things moving. The Bank of England has already lowered borrowing costs, and further cuts are expected. The bigger picture. Robert Gardner, Nationwide's chief economist, highlights the market's broad stability in recent months. Despite economic challenges, the market has shown resilience. This is particularly noteworthy considering the much higher borrowing costs compared to 5 years ago. Gardner believes that housing affordability could improve in the coming months if income growth continues to outpace house price growth, and if borrowing costs ease further. In conclusion, the UK housing market is in a period of adjustment. While prices are still rising, the pace is slowing, and uncertainty looms. What are your thoughts? Do you think the market is heading for a correction, or will it remain resilient? Share your opinions in the comments below.